Hello friends, myself Harish Motekar. Today I have bring a new topic to you, that is how to design a certificate or banner. You might have seen that most of the people use Adobe Photoshop to design a banner or a certificate, but that is very difficult to design banner or certificate using Adobe Photoshop. So you can use any other tool just like canva.com that I'll tell you how to use, and for that we have a live demo today. So I'll show you how to create a certificate using the online websites like canva.com. So for that you need to create your account. So just like me, I have created my account on canva.com, and you can see here. So this is the home page of the canva.com. Here you can see it is the login page is given here. You can log in your account, and once you log in, once you're done with your login, so you can start designing the certificates. Okay, so here various things are there. You can design your presentation, Instagram posts, certificates, posters, etc. So our aim is to design a certificate. So let's see how to design a certificate. Okay, very first thing, when we talk about the certificate, so we need to take a blank page, or we need to refer some templates. So templates are given here. You can use any of the template of this. Out of this you can if you want, you can upload your photographs. If you can upload your logo of your company. You can upload some images you like to add into the certificate, and many more things, so that you can upload here using this. Like you just need to click here, so you can upload this. So these are the things given here. Like I have some mementos, and I want to prepare some document in which I need to include a memento, so I can use these type of things. I can add photos also, so therefore it is given here. You can use the online photos. You can upload your own photos as well. You can directly copy and drag and drop the photos as well. If you want to add some shapes, so the shapes are given here. The some pictures are given, some features are given, some frames, lines, etc. all are given here. You can include this also. So to make your poster or your certificate more beautiful, you can use this. You can use the grid lines like this, gradients like this, and here some pictures are given about the coronavirus. So sometimes it used to include the famous events as well. So coronavirus is the one of them, so it is given here. You can include out of this. Then you can include the text in the different formats, like here the heading, then subheading, and body is given. You can also add the text in the in some artistic view. So these views are given here. You can use one of them. Okay. Now without wasting much time, let's start with some templates, and let's start enjoying with the certificate. So if you want, you can use a direct template just like this, or you can include the things into this. Okay, so very first thing, as a basic, I insist you to use the inbuilt templates. Okay, so this will be helpful to understand how to work on a canva.com. So very first thing that you can see here in this template, it is given a logo, heading to the certificate, like certificate to for the appreciation. Then for what purpose it is given, so you can give here, and the name of the certificate, the person to whom you are assigning the certificate. So all these things are given. You can use the existing things. You can change the names, or you can edit the whole matter. So also you can change the font. You can change the style of font. Like I am changing the style of font, that is Times Roman. I am changing this as Times Roman as well, because I like Times Roman so much. You can include, or you can change the colors. Like suppose just let me increase the size of this. So you can change the color of text as well. So suppose I'm trying to change this color. So just need to do one thing. Okay, So you can add the colors you can change the color of the text in this way. You can, if you want, you can add some logos or some pictures into this as well. So suppose I want to add a logo, so I need to make some space for that initially, but let us see how to add. So suppose I want to add a logo, and the logo is suppose I'm taking a logo from Google. Okay, I'm selecting a logo. So just a second, I'm selecting logo. Okay, so suppose I'm selecting this logo only. So this is already a transparent image, so you can directly copy and paste it. Whenever you are making a certificate, so you need to use this transparent image. So you can use the certificate this transparent image like this, and you can you can use it anywhere you want. You can give the specific size to this, you can resize it. Okay, so this is a way to use logo. This was the transparent image, the transparent logo, that's why you can directly use this. But many times we used to face the issue that the logos are not transparent. Okay, just like this logo, suppose I want to use, so I want to use this logo, but it is not transparent. So how to use this logo? So one more thing I'll teach you today, that how to use transparent, how to create a transparent logo. So for that you need to use another website, that is uh, removebackground.com. remove bg or remove.bg. So this is the website remove.background.com. so you can directly remove the background of any of the image. So you need to just drag and drop the image, or copy and paste the image. So once you copy and paste the image, so it will directly automatically remove the background. You can see here it is remove the background of the image. You can directly copy this image, or you can download it as well. So I'm downloading also and copying also. Okay, so copy and paste. Okay, so I'm copy and paste this logo here. I'm copying and pasting this logo here. So this way you can see it is copy and paste. Now you can see the pink lines here. These pink lines are actually helping us to align the logos, the text. You can see here, you can see it is helping us to align. Okay, so these pink lines are helping us to align our logo once we are when we are making the certificate. Okay, so this was the way. I hope you have understand how to design a certificate, and this will be very helpful to you to design a certificate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like symbol and the bell icon. Thank you so much. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.